Jain friends, welcome to my channel, and today video is about what do you mean by number series. Okay, and this is a very important portion for the reasoning. Okay, so we'll start in this video. In this question, a series of a number or letter following a specific pattern will be given, but a number or letter at some position will be missing or wrongly marked. Candidate have to identify that number and fill the gap or identify the wrong number. For the same, the simplification part has to be strong and should be able to guess the pattern from the number. The series can be of difference, addition, product, square, and cube. Miscellaneous series. Also, series can be like even number and odd number, prime number series. Squares and cubes are easily identified and scrollable among the series. The combination of all this can also be expected for later series. Candidate should know the order and rank or positive value of each alphabets, which will surely help you to solve the series. One can solve the problem from either left to right or vice versa. So let's practice questions with an example each. Okay. So there are some sample questions right here. So we are going to solve this. Okay. So here is question is 9, 8, 10, 9, 11 and 10. So what will the answer? Okay. Firstly, see the question very thorough. Okay. Thereafter, so finally I'm going to tell you the solution is about 12. So I'm going to explain that. The series having alternate subtraction and addition. Okay. You can see here 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. So the answer will be 12. Okay. So look here. The same thing. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So subsequently the answer will be 12. Okay. Okay. So we're going on our next question. So next question is 4 comma 20 comma 80 comma 240. Okay. So the solution is 480. And how it comes, this is a product series. ठीक है. Okay, then check the series. The numbers are increasing if the succeeding number is always larger than the square of the predecessor number. We can accept a product or series with a square or cube. So okay, I'll do the minimize so you can see both question and solution at the same time. Okay. So here question is a 4, 20, 80 and 240. Thereafter 4 into 5 equal to what? 20. 20 into 4 is equal to what? 8, 80. 80 into 3 is what? 240. Thereafter 240 into 2 is 480. So your answer will be 480. Okay. For easily following this question, candidate should work with some questions. Also, candidate should know the shortcut method for the multiplication, division, etc. Okay. Thereafter following entire for the sum simplification question and shortcut method related to that. Okay. Thereafter we'll go for the next question, the question number 3. So the question number 3 is CDEF is related to FGJI in the same way as LJPL is related to what? Okay. This is a very important question. In SSC exam, they will like put 2 or 3 question from this type of series. Okay. Like you will get 10 to 15 question from the number series and 3 to 4 question is from this division. Okay. So CDEF. Thereafter. So the finally solution is what? Solution is XMFO. Okay. So take the position value of CDEF, which is respectively 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Like if I'm going to write A, B, C, D and blah blah blah, let finally Z. So what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4 and Z is for 26. Okay, T is for 20. Okay. So you can learn it also, or whenever you get the answer sheet, you can write this A, B, C, D up to Z and put the number in the ascending and descending order both, because it will going to help you in your exam. Okay. And you'll definitely get 3 or 4 questions from this portion. Okay. So here's what: C into 2 equal to F, D plus 3 equals to G, thereafter E into 2 equal to J, F plus 3 equal to I. Okay. This is a one way. Okay. I'll show you the another way how we'll just solve this question. Okay. So the so question is what LJPL is related to. CDF is equal to FGJI. Okay. So there is what XMFO. Okay. So we are going to solve this by like the I am going to explain you the method. Okay. If here is a C D sorry D E and F. Okay. So here is F G J I C. Okay. C is if we are considering C C into 2. Okay. C into 2 is F. Like C is on the third place and F is on the sixth place. Okay. So the similarly uh, what we have to do, or the next question like or the question is L J LJPL. Okay. LJPL. Okay. Here is L. L is in on place of 12. 12 into 2 is like 24. 24 is what? X is 24. Okay. So by using this we can solve easily this puzzle. Okay. This number series question. Okay. Thereafter BVCUESHPLLQG. So the solution is what? WA. So what is the solution? The first letter are added in order like 1 plus, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. And the second letters are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. So like in the earlier I have said about like you have to write A, B, C, D and give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. While doing this you'll just get it like after B plus C, B after B, C, thereafter B plus 1 is C, C plus 2 is E, E plus H like plus 4, plus 5 and plus 6. And in the descending order G, thereafter L, thereafter P, thereafter S, thereafter U, and thereafter V. Okay. So the things are clear. Okay. Now we are checking some wrong number series pattern. Candidates have to find the wrong number among the numbers. Okay. So here's a wrong pattern series number. So the finally I'm going to tell you the wrong pattern is 60. Firstly the answer, thereafter I'll just tell you about the series. The series is following a pattern of into 3 plus 3. Okay. And then correct number should be 63. So how it come possible? 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So thereafter 21 into 3 is what? 21 into 3 is 63. 63 plus 3 is what? 66. Okay. Got it? Okay. Thereafter question number 6. So the question number 6 is what? 40,000, 10,500, 2,500, 625, 156.25, 39.062. So how it will go? Each number is divided by 4 and the correct number should be 10,000. If you are answering the series from right to left, the series will be multiplication series. Okay. So these are the solution. And finally, if you like my video, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Jai Hind.